ಐಟಂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಚಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಮಸಾಲಾ.
ಆಚಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ಮಸಾಲಾ.
Sir, one complaint was filed by the BJP delegation.
Resolution has been adopted that Prime Minister Modi, Yogi Adityanath and Mr. Amit Shah should resign and a thorough probe of the Ram temple.
Mandir issue, which you have raised, sir.
Your take, sir.
See, forget my take. Why is it that the Congress party is answerable for Chanda Chori done by RSS, VHP and the trustees? Huh? Who is responsible for this? If you have taken credit for the Supreme Court verdict, if you have taken credit for the foundation, if you have taken credit for the Dhwajarohan, if you have taken credit for the Pran Pratishthapan, if you have taken credit for the inauguration, you should also take credit for the Chanda Chori. Like I said earlier, for them, nation is not first, donation. And where is this money gone? And why have they resigned? The trustees have resigned, right? So that means they are guilty. So they should answer. The Prime Minister again has gone on a tour. Whenever there is tough questions that need to be answered to public, he is out of the country. Only when he is out of the country, the petrol prices, diesel prices are hiked. Only when he is out of the country, the LPG prices are hiked. Only when a disastrous economic report comes out, the gentleman is out of the country. Even now when people are expecting to speak, he is out of the country. When the NEET exam scandal broke out, he was out of the country. Otherwise, रोज परीक्षा पे चर्चा, चाय पे चर्चा. जब ये होता है तो चंदा पे भी चर्चा होना चाहिए ना.
But Mr. Prahlad Joshi says, sir, he came to file a complaint against you, Congress, for the SAR issue. He says, a Bruhasmati, Home Minister of Karnataka, who speaks on every issue, speaks only nonsense on Ram Mandir issue. These kind of words by a union minister.
See, problem with Mr. Joshi thinks is that he's the only educated person. He's got a problem that I have an opinion and I have the right opinion. He has a problem that it is factual. Let him come and discuss with me, no? Is it not a fact that he and his political mentors are unregistered fellows roaming around the streets of Karnataka? Isn't it a fact that Chanda Chori has happened? See, blaming me personally or being vindictive about personally will not wash away your sins. राम के नाम पे आपने पैसा लूटा है. राम नाम जपना पराया माल अपना जोशी जी ने भी किया है.
लेकिन वो ट्रस्टी के कुछ लोग छोड़कर अब तक उसके ऊपर कोई बयान आया.
अरे ये आपको लगता है कि एसआईटी ठीक तरह से फंक्शन करेगा? एसआईटी किसके हाथ में है? यूपी गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में है. गवर्नमेंट कौन चला रहा है? योगी आदित्यनाथ जी चला रहे हैं. चौकीदारी चोर निकला तो क्या रिपोर्ट ठीक से आएगा? हमको दीजिए, कार्रवाई करके दिखाएंगे.
लेकिन प्रहलाद जोशी कहते हैं कि आप बड़े चोर हैं कांग्रेस, इसलिए
अरे तो अंदर डालो ना. अरे
कांग्रेस के जैसे स्कैम नहीं होने.
केंद्र सरकार में कौन है भाई? अभी अमित शाह जी है ना. सरदार पटेल साहब के बाद सबसे बेहतरीन, सबसे स्ट्रांग होम मिनिस्टर है ना. तो जेल में डालने को बोलिए मुझको. क्यों डर रहे हैं? अगर मैंने कुछ गलत किया है तो जेल में डालिए. मुझको डालिए, मेरे पार्टी लोगों को डालिए, सबको डालिए. सिर्फ आके बात करना नहीं, कुछ करके भी दिखाइए. 12 साल हो गए लोगों को अच्छे दिन का पिक्चर दिखा के. अभी लोग भी थक गए हैं.